In a pot, add 300 grams of white beans and enough water to cover them. When you see bubbles, drain the beans and change the water. You have to do this a total of 3 times. This prevents bloating and makes the beans easier to digest. After the 3rd draining, put the beans back in the pot. Add a bit more water than before and 2 large carrots, chopped in large pieces. Don't forget to add about a teaspoon of salt. Cover the pot with a lid and let it boil until the beans are cooked and soft. Time for the final draining. Use another pot to catch the water, as we'll be needing some of it when we blend the beans in a few moments. Use a hand blender for this part, but feel free to use a food processor if you prefer. Add about a tablespoon of vegetable oil to the mix. And pour a bit of the water we saved from the beans to help with the blending process. You want to end up with a consistency similar to that of hummus. Crush a couple garlic cloves and continue mixing. Taste and season as necessary. When the smoothness and consistency are correct, set it aside. It's time for the thing that sets this dish apart, the caramelized onions. You'll need to chop 2 medium red onions. enough vegetable oil to cover the bottom of the pan and put it on a medium-high heat. When the oil is hot, add the chopped onions to the pan. Teaspoon of salt. Don't forget to stir from time to time. We don't want to burn the onion. When the onion begins to soften, it's time to add a couple teaspoons of tomato paste. And 200 milliliters of tomato sauce. Give it another 3 to 5 minutes. In the end, you want the onion to be fried, but not crispy, soft with a little bit of color. When the onion is ready, pour it over the beans. And there you have it, an amazing recipe that can be used as a side dish, replacing mashed potatoes, as a spread, or even as a dip. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy, and see you next time.